In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best CapCut quality. If you've been wondering how to make your videos look stunningly crisp and clear, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and transform your video editing experience into something amazing. First things first, when you're ready to start editing your video on CapCut, always aim to use high quality clips. You ideally want to work with footage that's 1080p, 2K or even 4K. Starting with high quality material gives you a significant head start because it ensures that your final product remains sharp and visually appealing even after all the edits and exports. Once you've done all that wonderful editing you have in mind, it's time to move on to exporting your project. You can find the export icon conveniently located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up an array of options which can sometimes be a little daunting, but don't worry, we'll get through this together. Now, under the export options, you'll want to focus on a couple of key settings. First, set the resolution to 4K. Having your resolution set this high means your video will be formatted to the finest details, perfect for larger screens, and maintaining quality across various devices. Next, set the frame rate to 60 FPS. Having a higher frame rate can make your video appear much smoother, especially during fast-moving scenes. If your device supports HDR, you should definitely turn it on. HDR or high dynamic range enhances your video's contrast and color depth, ensuring that it looks vibrant and professional. This function makes a considerable difference and can truly elevate the quality of your project, especially when it's viewed on HDR compatible devices. Once you've adjusted these settings, it's time to export your project. Simply tap that export button and CapCut will do its thing, packaging your creative vision into a neatly finished video file. It's always exciting to see a polished version of what you've worked hard on. To wrap up, I have a few tips to ensure your video remains of the highest quality. Try to keep the original resolution of your clips and avoid zooming in, as this can make the footage appear pixelated. Also, consider being conservative with filters and effects. While they can dramatically change the look of your video, too many or too heavy effects can make it appear cluttered and can detract from the sharpness of the final product. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make sure your videos look their best using CapCut. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help take your video editing to the next level. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.